Kelly, I know you always have your eye on these changing temperatures over time that we've been seeing.
Yeah, I know you've been in this area for at least a decade, maybe longer. Have you
15
noticed?
years,
15
yeah.
years. Okay. Have you noticed many changes over the last
It,
few years in the
I
summertime?
think, yeah, no, I think the summers have definitely gotten hotter since we moved here back in
Yeah.
2006.
Yeah, I think a lot more folks need AC, and on average, the trend has been showing us a warming since the 70s through last year. You can see here this graph showing a 2.5-degree average warming for our mean daily temperatures over the summer months. Some of the other seasons have different results and may have provided cooler temperatures, but in the summer, we're really feeling that increase of heat and the warming that has occurred over the last 5 decades. And going back to June and July, our June this year was the warmest ever on record so far. And this July going down as the 5th warmest ever on record in Portland. And notice how our August has shaped up. We've seen several days in the 90s. This past weekend, we finally dipped down to the upper 70s, but we remain warm. And going into the end of this week, we have another hot setup on the way. We were cooler due to this dip in the jet stream. This upper level trough of low pressure swung on by. It brought us a weather system. It's now shifting towards the east, but we did see some sprinkles around Portland. That ended our dry streak of 51 days with no measurable rain in Portland. But we did see a little bit of rain here in the gauge, so that came to a close. But with this high pressure ridge setting up, we're expecting dry conditions once again and that heat to build. Just check out that ridge that develops here as we head towards Wednesday. Through the weekend, it shifts right over the west coast, and that is a driver of heat. So we're expecting dangerous heat to set up again, possible triple-digit temperatures, most likely Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So possibly 3 to 5 days, at least in the mid to upper 90s to low triple digits ahead for us this week. Take a look at our temperature trend. Again, today we'll see that normal summertime heat, mid 80s, but we're back to the low 90s and climbing those temperatures on up. Again, Wednesday now 100 degrees. We could see the low triple digits Thursday and Friday, that peak heat likely on Thursday. And we will be adjusting these temperatures likely. It is still several days out, and we do see wildfire smoke playing a part with our temperatures too. Just a couple weeks ago, we were expecting a lot of heat, but then that high level haze rolled in and we actually knocked down our temperatures. So there's a chance that we do see more wildfire smoke later this week. That'll only put us in the upper 90s. So we'll watch that very closely, but models are showing a big heat up on the way. Right now we're sitting in the low 70s. It's a beautiful start to the afternoon here. Upper 70s out towards the Dalles, even out to the coast today. We are in the mid to upper 60s already with plenty of sunshine. You can see out to Seaside, they are setting up the 39th annual outdoor volleyball tournament out there at the coast. It starts on Thursday. Just look this up. That looks real fun. So if your team is playing, hopefully you guys enter some competitive play and have a lot of fun out there. We'll see some beautiful weather out to the coast. That'll be a nice place to escape the heat as the Portland metro area starts to warm up. So here's our day planner today. Again, a wonderful summer day. We're not expecting any haze today or even tomorrow. So blue skies, temperatures in the mid 80s by dinner time. Out to the coast today, we'll see temperatures in the upper 60s to low 70s. Just a very pleasant day across the coast. Dry and warm today. A lot of sunshine. Mid 80s in Portland, the upper 80s out to Salem and down through Corvallis. So a little hotter as you work your way down the valley. Out to Central Oregon, upper 80s today. Pendleton, 85 degrees. And across the gorge today in the Dalles, we could see temperatures closer to the 90s and a little bit of high level haze here. There are still wildfires in Central Oregon and Central Washington, excuse me, that may usher in a little bit of smoke for the next couple of days. Also up in the mountains, especially on the east side, so we could see a little bit of haze too. So here's our 7-day forecast. Blue skies, good air quality, and sunny conditions expected through Tuesday, but we're building heat, low 90s by tomorrow. Wednesday, good shot at triple-digit temperatures. We'll watch those days on Thursday and Friday. Still expecting triple-digit heat, but that could always adjust. So keep your eyes here on the forecast with me on Coin 6. We'll be right back.